Welcome to Wall Street Confidential. I'm Farnoosh Torabi. Joining me on this tumultuous day for the stock market is Jim Cramer.
You've got to be sensitive to the idea that, the idea is to long-term keep people in the game. But short-term, you're going to lose a lot of money.
Right.
And I don't want to pretend not. I'm trying to run a diversified portfolio myself. FractionalerPlus.com getting killed. Almost everybody's getting killed. So I'd rather not even go out there and say, okay, look, Procter & Gamble's good. I've said that. I've staked out positions. I want people to understand why it's so cataclysmic out there. So at least they have the grounding to be able to say, okay, I'm willing to ride this out. There are people on realmoney.com, like my friend Bob Morrison, my friend Doug Cass. They're just recommending you should own nothing. Now, I don't want to put words in their mouth, but own nothing. My experience is that most investors are in it for more than just now, and they're not hedge fund managers. So what I'm trying to do is focus on what can work, not what's working, because nothing's working.
Right.
What can work and what will really be hurt. There are various times, like right now, where there's been a minerals bull market, and that has been completely blown up. So does that mean you stay with a Freeport? I mean, Freeport traded down to the 60s today with copper substantially higher from where it was. I own it for ActionAlertsPlus.com, so we put out a little note saying, well, there's a bit of absurdity here. But the absurdity can last. My experience in the 1990 bull market, which is what I'm using because that was the last time we had a credit crunch, was that you lost money in everything, okay, except for maybe 20 stocks. Now there's thousands of stocks. So to focus on the bull market and the 20 stocks, while it has been my style, both in the videos and on my TV show, does not give a long shrift. It does not give enough to explaining why everything else is going down. So I think that we have to do a mix. We can say that Procter and Pepsi is good, and I have on good authority that Pepsi will not do a dilutive acquisition. We can say that Pfizer is getting interesting. We can certainly say that Cheering Plow made you money. I have been convinced that a Kellogg and a General Mills are gaining share. Altria with a meeting coming up makes a lot of sense. I've also emphasized CVS, Medco Health, Cardinal. But when I look at my screen of green versus red ratio, it's probably 10 to 1 red. So I want to do videos that keep that in mind and recognize that as the Federal Reserve continues to do a de facto tightening, you're going to continue to have spillover.